you're not going to have the kind of opportunities that you'd like to have.
So last night we celebrated one of the 10,000 small business soon-to-be graduates here in Detroit at McClure's Pickles. And Joe and I were working the assembly line, and then Lloyd jumped in.
And he won, of course.
It was quite a scene, I will say. I ended up with pickles all over my face.
Yeah.
So Lloyd, stick to your day job.
Lloyd,
okay?
I'm competitive. I don't know what came over me.
He was like Lucy on the assembly line.
Ethel.
Lucille Ball.
Yeah,
I was Ethel.
You won.
I won.
Just saying,
just
Lloyd,
for the record.
Just saying.
But here's a great example,
It's a
though,
great story.
Lloyd. Here's a story of two guys that actually take a recipe 100 years old.
Family recipe.
They started in Brooklyn.
Grandma Lala.
And then decided to come home and build out this business here, and they're expanding.
Yeah.
Look, we didn't create these guys. They created themselves to that point.
Right.
But at the end of the day, they're a little bit topped out. They don't know how to get to the next level. They have a few employees. They have opportunity. You take them in and you teach them a little bit how to do business planning. You tell them how to do negotiation, accounting, how to deal with HR issues. They take that business plan, the business plan that essentially was their term paper at the end of this program. They walk it over to the bank, and immediately they get financing.
Amazing.
Immediately with the finance, they go out and buy some more equipment, and they hire 2 more people, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It's a very virtuous circle.
Yeah, you know, Warren,